Hi, I'm Colin Sinclair, and today I will be talking about my bridge over construction project, and at the end I will zoom in to show you. I'll be showing you my OSHA standard violations and compliances that I have represented in my model here. My first standard is a violation, standard number 1926.100. Standard title, head protection. Standard text reads, employees working in areas where there is a possible danger of head injury from impact or from falling or flying objects or from electrical shock and burns shall be protected by protective helmets. On my site here, there are 2 employees right here near the backhoe that are not wearing head protection. My second standard is a violation, standard number 1926.101. Standard title, hearing protection. The standard text reads, wherever is not feasible to reduce the noise levels or duration of exposures to those specified in the table D2 permissible noise exposures in 1926.52, ear protection devices shall be provided and used. Out of all 6 workers on my site, none of them are wearing ear protection, and there is also hammering and jackhammering being performed on this site. My third standard is a violation, standard number 1926.602C1. Standard title, material handling equipment. Standard text reads, unauthorized personnel shall not be permitted to ride on powered industrial trucks. A safe place to ride shall be provided where riding of trucks is authorized. Here on my site, there is a guy using the backhoe as a lift. My fourth standard is a violation, standard number 1926.1425E1. Standard title, keeping clear of the load. Standard text, no employee must be directly under the load. Again, over by the backhoe, there's an employee directly under the bucket, shoveling rock. My fifth standard is a compliance. Standard number 1926.651D. Standard title, specific excavation requirements. Standard text, exposure to vehicular traffic, employees exposed to public vehicular traffic shall be provided with and shall wear warning vests or other suitable garments marked with or made of reflectorized or high visibility material. All the workers on my site are wearing orange reflective vests. My sixth standard is a compliance. Standard number 1926.200G1. Standard title, accident prevention, signs and tags. Standard text, at points of hazard, construction areas shall be posted with legible traffic control signs and protected by traffic control devices. Here we have a construction worker holding a slow construction sign, and on the other side we have a construction zone speed limit sign of 20 miles per hour. And that concludes my project standards. I'll now read my case study accident investigation summary. The title reads, employee is struck by rebar cage and incurs multiple injuries. At 10:30 a.m. on December 11th, 2017, employee number 1 and coworker number 1, employed by a bridge construction company, were engaged in repair work at a bridge. Coworker number 1 was using a skid steer to lift a rebar cage. Employee number 1 was placing brick underneath the rebar cage, and the steel cage collapsed. striking and trapping employee number 1 between the bottom and top rebar mats. Emergency services were called, and employee number 1 was transported to the hospital. He was admitted and treated for 2 lower back fractures, a puncture wound to his thigh, and multiple upper body contusions. The standard cited for this accident was 1926.703 D1, requirements for cast-in-place concrete. The text reads, reinforcing steel for walls, piers, columns, and similar vertical structures shall be adequately supported to prevent overturning and to prevent collapse. There was an overall penalty of $6,652 for this accident. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you.